Gold and silver both traded in a modest range today, and in fact on the downside, as I shared in the morning update, that 1968-70 levels I'll be looking forward to so far are respected. At the same time, silver has also got the support at 2360-65 zone. Now what to expect with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. Also, you can join our free Telegram channel where you get the live market updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. And yes, before leaving the video, should press the bell icon. That will be a great support. Let's start here. First, look at the hourly charts for gold. You will find, see, higher lows are getting created, but every support is meant to be broken here. If it continues to slide below 1968-70 zone first and then 1960, you can expect more bearishness is going to prevail. Now if you look at hourly charts more closely, see, drop, consolidation with a bearish bias, then drop, consolidation with a slight bullish bias. This is retracement here. Now if it breaks past 1960, more bearishness is going to prevail here. Now also, if you look at hourly charts, one important observation here is the resistance here it is getting at 82. Now this is the level which we had discussed, that 1982 levels definitely will prove out to be a good resistance for gold. It has so far proven out to be a very good resistance throughout this day. Hence, any buy entry again is above 1982 levels, beyond which till 85 also, those who wants to trade safe should wait for 1985. Beyond that, certainly it is going to fly. At the same time, on the downside, 1968-70 is something I will be looking forward to for a good sell entry, and then 1965-60 levels. Below 1960, it is going to break heavily on the downside. Now see, stochastic is retracing. MACD on the hourly charts have crossed over. This is trading with divergence and trading bearish. RSI is also looking down. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, see, let it come out of this channel, trade below 1968 levels, then I will look forward to 60, and below that, yes, it is going to break heavily. The stochastic looking down, MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell, it is still in green. RSI trying to look down, trying to trade slightly. Now look at 3-hour chart. See, first of all, a wall out there, and you can see stronger resistance at around 80 to 85 zone. Then first red candle, retracement, second red candle, bigger candle, and if it breaks below 1968, you can expect further bearishness here, but then also on the downside till 64 and 60. We have to wait, we have to watch out how it behaves. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is in green, trying to converge. Now see, MACD crossover has happened after a long bearish channel. Hence, this should, even if it tries to converge, this should diverge a little, this should bring back up a little, this should retrace a little on the upside. Hence, I'll be watchful there if how it behaves at around 82 levels. RSI looking down here, and if you look at 4, now look at 4-hour charts closely. See, this is an expanding triangle, increasing bearishness is seen. Breakout above 82, same levels what we had discussed so far. A stochastic dropping here. MACD on the 4-hour charts is still bullish, it has not yet crossed over, and as I always say, see, this is a long bearish channel. From here at least it should recover till towards this zone, and hence it is still not be considered bearish till the time it stays above 1960, in fact 1950 levels. RSI looking down, yes, it may drop, but before that it has to retrace a little on the upside. Now look at the daily chart. Now if you look at the daily chart, 1970, very good support, higher highs, lower lows are seen, with pivot here somewhere at 1976 levels. Also, if you look at the previous few candles, see, lower highs were seen. This had tried to breach these, you can say, trend line, and hence probably if it stays above 1982, more bullishness can be expected. Stochastic rising, MACD is on the daily chart is still bearish, but candle size have flattened. This is something we should watch out for, and RSI is flat. So could be possibly be before rising or before dropping, it can give you a swing either which ways. Right now it has seen a drop, it has come to the support levels at 68.70, very good support. Hence you can sell here at 1968. If you see it trading below 1968 till 1960, you have to put a $4 trailing stop loss. Below 1960, 1954 and 1950, if these are taken, gold is looking forward to a massive drop. Below 1950, you can expect 1935, 1915 levels. But my expectation, before looking forward to a drop, it should try to retrace a little on the upside. And what could be a potential buy entry? That is at 1982 levels. 1982-85 very good resistance. Beyond that, we may see it hitting 1991 and 2000 levels. 2004, 2005 is something I will be looking forward to if it continues its upward journey. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 5th of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group, trading as per the signals. Definitely, you can benefit. Again, reach out to me via email or Telegram for same. Now, look at silver on the first. Before we proceed to the daily charts, let's have a look at the hourly chart. Interestingly, silver has also got a resistance at 23.95 and $24 levels. This is certainly a very good resistance. Any point of time, if you see silver trading about 23.95, certainly that is a buying point for you. Now, if you look at silver, see it was trading in this slightly retracement channel. This time it has breached this channel. Possibly once it stays below 23.70, you can again sell, but I will be looking forward for it to break past this zone at 23.65 and 23.55 levels. Any point of time, if you see it trading below 23.50, certainly more bearishness is going to be seen, and then 23.40. So till 23.40, this is still possibly, because see a flat bottom is seen, and this could be still considered as an expanding triangle, which is in a bullish nature. Stochastic, which was overbought, is dropping here. The MACD trading with divergence and is bearish. RSI is trying to look down, trying to trade slightly bearish here. Look at the 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, the 20 period moving average, now giving it a support. On the upside, we can see there is a clear cut wall at 23.95 levels, which needs to be breached here, 23.90-95 zone. And if you look at, see, now just if it stays below 23.70, you can sell, but then wait for 23.60, 50, 40. Till 23.40, we have to put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. Stochastic comfortable. MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for a sell. It is still not yet crossed over. RSI looking down here. And if you look at 3-hour chart, now see on the 3-hour charts here, the silver was trading with divergence from the 20 period moving average. Now it is trading in between the 20 and 50 period moving averages. It is giving it a good support on the downside and a resistance on the upside, and hence 23.70 to 23.95. Let's not trade now. Stochastic looking up, MACD is in green, RSI trying to look down, trying to trade with slight bearish bias. And if you look at 4-hour chart, now look at 4-hour charts, you will find higher lows are still seen. It has not yet breached 23.70, below which you cannot expect a pullback right now. There could be a pullback, and this pullback can be very strong. If it continues to trade about 23.90, 95 zone, you can expect 24.20 levels might be achieved. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is still bullish, RSI trying to look downwards. And if you look at the daily, now look at daily charts. If you just connect these dots, you will find this is right now consolidating within a zone here, 23.95 to 23.60, and this is higher lows, lower highs, a strong consolidation zone. Stochastic has come out of the oversold zone, trying to recover a bit. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover for a buy. It has not yet crossed over, but yes, it has completed at least 75% of the journey what it has seen with the rise. RSI has also seen the bottom there. Considering this, and I will recommend you to buy now at 23.95 only, and a sell at 23.70 levels. For this 25 cents, let's be watchful, let's be observant, and do not take any trade. In fact, if it drops below 23.70 till 23.60, 50, 40, these are 3 milestones for silver which it needs to breach in order to confirm the bearishness. 23.60 is a very good support, and then 23.40 levels. These two levels are definitely going to be a hurdle for the drop in silver prices. Before that, if it breaches below 23.40, there is going to be a stronger drop which is seen, which might in fact take it below $23, and hence you should trade with caution. On the upside, beyond 23.95, I'll be still expecting a little retracement for silver on the upside till towards 24.20, 24.50 levels before it tries to look forward to any downward move. and stake your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.